Hello everyone, si Mrs. K po ito at I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. We all heard the sad news, no? Ang bigat po sa dibdib. Pero alam ko, deep down in my heart, nadadating tayo sa oras na to. Binigyan pa tayo ni Lord ng 3 buwan para natin makasama pa siya, humaba pa ang ating memory sa Kanya. Alam ko pong alam nyo na nawala na po si Bella, si Mars ng buhay ko. Alam ni Mars kung anong nararamdaman ko ngayon dahil nafe-feel ko siya, nagpaparamdam siya sa akin so many ways. Ini-ignore ko lang. Pero hindi naman niya ako tinatakot, pero alam ko nagpaparamdam siya sa akin. Kaya ako po ginawa itong video kasi hindi ko po magawa na magpaalam. Gusto ko po sanang umuwi pero with so many reasons. Pero alam ni Mars yan. Mars, kung nasaan ka man, alam kong nasa mabuting kalagayan ka na. You're in the right place. Wala nang sakit, wala ka nang nararamdaman na mahapdi ito, masakit ito. Kaya huwag kang mag-alala. Hindi ko pamamayaan si Nakmay. Pinangako natin yun sa isa't isa. Kahit anong mangyari, hindi ko siya papabayaan. Pangako ko sa iyo yan. Ngayon alam ko nandiyan ka na with the Lord. Kaya sana gabayan mo kami dito sa baba. I will forever miss you, our chicas. Mga usap natin sa mga bata, sa mga anak-anak natin. Hindi ko sila pababayaan. Hindi mawawala yun, Mars. Ang dami nagmamahal sa'yo. Sobra. Kaya, rest in peace. At huwag kang mag-alala. Everything will be fine. Alam mo yan. Alam ko yan. Maraming salamat po sa panonood dito. Ginawa ko lang po para lang medyo lumuwang ng konti ang sa loobin ko. Kaya maraming pong salamat.
This way, and as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on That's what friends are for good times and bad.
Đêm nay vô nhà ước, đêm nay vô nhà anh để thương. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình. Tình 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 tang tang tình tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình. Doing this wow, wow, wow. What you gonna say? You act like you gon' leave, but I know that you gon' stay.
Everybody look to their left, everybody look to their right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're paying with love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price. Hello, magandang people, mabuhay. Miss you, miss you. Hello, magandang people, mabuhay. Miss you.
Daling dali. Sino siya? Ang bangis niyang gumiling, ang bangis niyang gumiling, ang bangis niyang. But the rivers are popular where we sat down. Yeah, yeah, we will remember Zion. But the rivers are popular where we sat down. Yeah, yeah, we will remember Zion. Wonder we get the carry on.
If you don't like me, that's not my problem. It's yours.
This way, and as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Well, you came in loving me, and now there's so much more I see. And so by the way